Welcome to myprojectwizard.com.
This is our project titled Detection of Superpoints using a vector bloom filtering. And this is our project abstract. This paper proposes a novel data streaming method for detecting superpoints and proves guarantees on its accuracy with low memory requirements. The superior performance of this method comes from a new data structure called vector bloom filtering, which is a variant of standard bloom filtering. The vector bloom filtering consists of 6 hash functions, 4 of which take some consecutive bits from the input string as the corresponding value respectively. The information of superpoints is obtained by using the overlapping of hash bits string of the VPF, the virtual vector bloom filtering. Theoretical analysis and experimental results shows that the proposed method can detect superpoints precisely and efficiently through comparison with other existing approaches.
And this is our project flow diagram and first we create a nodes. And to create a nodes, we have to insert the nodes which is available in the networks, and we have to insert into the user inputs to input to the collect the set of nodes and their pocket their receiving packets, and then update the vector bloom filter. After we collected all the nodes and their pockets and protocols, we have to update the vector bloom filtering. And after we update the vector bloom filtering, we have to merge the string which is in the input. We have to initialize the input and merge the string. So we have to generate 4 hash functions, and generate hash functions be consecutive of one another. Then after merging the string, we have to generate the IP address of the each node. We have to randomly generate the IP address and calculate the node loads. And we calculate the node has bits, and we merge the when we merge the string, then generate the IP, then can detect the super points. After we detect the super points, we have to we have to show the super point nodes details, what all the packets we have say they send, and the IP and the port address and IP address of the super points. Then close the then the flow will be completed. Now we have to see our demo of our project. First, click on home.java and right click on it and select run file option. After selecting the run file option, our home page of our project will be displayed on our screen. We have to the window will be displayed in the screen, and then click the button to enter into the system. First we collect the data from the nodes, select and new dataset.csv, and we have to load into the database. The database will be loaded successfully, and then we display what are all the nodes and the time and the lines and the protocols, and then what are the information we have to display in the screen, and click next button to go to the next frame for the next operation. Next we have to update the VPF, the vector bloom filtering, get the arrival of data and update the vector bloom filtering. Sometimes it takes some time to update the vector bloom filtering. After we have to the message will be displayed on our screen. Then we have to enter the next. We have to go to the next frame. It will be displayed. The message will be displayed. VPF is updated successfully. Then click OK button to close the message. Then click next button, and then get hash bits, input hash bits, input successfully. Then the hash bits will be displayed in the screen. Then find the hash function 1 and the merge successfully, and the hash function 2 and the hash function 3 and the hash function 4. So it's a consecutive bit of the node address, node input string. Then click next button to go to the next operations. We have to generate the IP address, so we have to first hash input hashes, and using the input hashes we have to generate the IP address. IP address is generated successfully. Then click next button. After clicking the next button, you have to merge the string, input string, and generate the IP for merging the strings. And the merging the strings will be displayed on the screen, and then generate the IP merges successfully on the node, and then the IP address will be displayed on the screen. And then click next button to detecting the super points. Find the super points. The super point found successfully, and then view the super points. These are all the super points which is detected by our system. It's we have to store the what are the IPs and the protocols and the lengths. We have to generate the 2 IP and the comparing IP. If it is in the match not match, then we will be displaying this super points. Then close the program. Demo is completed. Thanks to listen.